Hello to all. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss Himalayan pink salt, ordinary salt and black salt. What are the differences among these three salts? I am going to discuss Himalayan pink salt, ordinary salt and black salt. Himalayan pink salt is known in different name. It is also known as rock salt, stone salt, or popularly known as Sindha namak, Sindha salt. Now I am going to discuss Himalayan pink salt, its chemical composition. Besides predominantly being made up of sodium chloride, it also houses a plethora of vital minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc, manganese, copper, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen, and cobalt. Sindha namak helps maintain the water level in our body, while normal salt can cause dehydration. Sindha namak, that is a rock salt, is believed to be beneficial in high blood pressure, while normal salt is considered harmful in high blood pressure. Sindha namak is used in fasting food, while ordinary salt is not used. What are the differences between Sindha namak and normal salt? Sindha namak, also known as Himalayan pink salt or rock salt or stone salt, is extracted from salt mines located in the Himalayan mountain, while normal salt is made from sea water and water of lakes. Second important difference is that its color is, Sindha namak color is light pink due to presence of ferrous oxide. Many minerals are present, but its color is pink due to presence of iron, ferrous oxide. But its color is ordinary salt color, it is white, but it is found in greenish white also, or a slightly black tints. Now third important point, that Sindha namak, it is very dry, but ordinary salt is can say moist. These salt crystals of ordinary salts are moist. Why it is moist? Then due to the presence of magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. Ordinary crystals are moist due to the presence of magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. And fourth difference is that Sindha namak, it absorbs moisture from food and dissolves fast in water. Actually, both ordinary water and Sindha namak, ordinary salt, I am talking about ordinary salt and Sindha namak, both absorbs water, but differences are there. Sindha namak absorbs moisture from food and dissolves fast in water. But this ordinary salt does not absorb moisture quickly and dissolves slowly in water. Next important point is that Sindha namak does not require digestion as it is quickly absorbed in the body, while ordinary salt requires digestion and is absorbed in our body with a delay, not quickly, not fast. It requires digestion, ordinary salt, and is absorbed in our body with a delay. Next important point, that is a difference, is Sindha namak is used in Ayurveda to make various types of medicines, but ordinary salt has no special significance. And next difference is that Sindha namak or rock salt, it helps prevent many diseases, while normal salt does not have any such properties. Here, very important point is that in ordinary salt, sodium is found in more quantity, but in this salt, means rock salt, also we call Himalayan pink salt. Here, sodium quantity is found in little, less. Potassium is found in more. Comparatively, in ordinary salt, also called table salt or common salt, in that sodium is found in more quantity. That's why it increases the blood pressure. It increases the blood pressure. But in the other salt like black salt and this rock salt, it is found in less. Potassium is found in this. That is again main differences. Then that's why sodium chloride, that is ordinary salt, one should not use in more quantity because it increases blood pressure. Blood pressure become high. And here only one should know that whatever salt be, either stone salt or black salt or ordinary salt, it should not be consumed in more quantity. 6 gram per day, that is a limitation. Any type of salt, less than or maximum 6 gram per day. Otherwise, any type of salt will harm. Now, one more difference I want to discuss. Iodine is already present in rock salt, but in normal salt it is added from outside. Means in ordinary salt it is added separately. Okay. Here iodine in ordinary salt, it is added separately from the outside. Okay. After the comparison, Sindha namak is found to be more beneficial for our body. Now more about the Sindha namak. Sindha namak is a stone salt and practically 98% NaCl. In Sindha namak, NaCl is 98% and in rest 2% other minerals are present. NaCl is also called halite. Halite. The shading originates from the contamination. These hues keep running from light blue, dull blue, purple to pink, red, orange, yellow or dark, depending on its constituent minerals present in it. Sindha namak can vary depending depending on the source and location of the salt. Actually, Sindha Namak is a sedimentary rock. It is from sedimentary rock. Now, what about the black salt? Black salt has antioxidant properties and has a surprisingly low sodium level. It also contains important minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential to healthy bodies. Black salt stimulates bile production in the liver and helps control heartburn and bloating. Due to sulfur content, black salt has an egg-like odor and taste. Drinking black salt along with water on an empty stomach in the morning help to remove toxins from the body and provides relief from constipation due to its laxative properties. Black salt is also good for diabetics when taken in balanced quantities, as it helps in maintaining sugar level in the body. It is also made synthetically. In lab also it is made. It is made synthetically in the lab. How? Then I am telling you. Actually, it is made only from Himalayan pink salt. That is the starting. Okay. But then how actually it is made in lab synthetically, I am telling you now. Sodium chloride plus sodium sulfate plus sodium bisulfate plus ferric sulfate. All these are mixed, all these are combined, and after that these are heated with charcoal. Then black salt is formed, and due to this charcoal means coal, you can tell, its color becomes black. Black color of black salt is due to this charcoal. Again I am telling how it is made in a lab, means how it is made can say synthetically. Then it is made from, it is mixed NaCl. NaCl means salt, ordinary salt, plus sodium sulfate, plus sodium bisulfate, plus ferric sulfate. All these are combined, mixed, and is heated with charcoal. What is the chemical composition of the natural black salt? Then NaCl. NaCl is the main and trace amount of sodium sulfate, sodium bisulfate, sodium hydrogen sulfide, sodium sulfide. One should not confuse in this sulfide and sulfide. Again I am telling you, NaCl is the main. After that, trace amount of sodium sulfate. Second, sodium hydrogen sulfate, also known as sodium bisulfate. Third, sodium bisulfite. Sulfite means NaHSO3, and sodium sulfide, that is the NO2S, sodium sulfide. Iron sulfide means APS, and hydrogen sulfide, H2S. Due to the presence of iron and other minerals, the salt is pinkish grey in color. Natural black salt, its color will be, you can say, pinkish grey in color. Now I have discussed all the things, three types of salt which we are using. I have discussed. Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.